Hi, my name is Robert Nguyen, and you're watching the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on the bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. Now let's talk about his channel. He started back in April 10, 2008. Until today, total amount of subscribers are 206,000. Total amount of views is currently 25 million. Average daily subs, he's clocking at 128. And monthly subs is 1,532. Now daily income, and this is going to be an estimate. Daily views is currently 8,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber $3. So daily income is currently $24. Monthly income is at $720. Now his annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. So wait. Income is currently $8,640. YouTube cut takes 45%. So income after the YouTube cut is $4,752. Now Carl Jacobson, he sells merch on his website, and that's how he makes some of his extra money outside of YouTube. And these are some shirts that he currently sells. So currently, Carl Jacobson has 206,000 subscribers, and let's say 1% of his subscribers buys a shirt. That's 2,060. And the average price point for a shirt is currently $20, which gives him a profit of $10 per shirt sold. So 2,060 times 10 is $20,600 per year that he makes an extra. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.